All right. I'm going to move the gimbal down so you can see what happens. Put it on video. I thought I had it on video, but it was on photo. Start the video. Alright, so let's move forward a little bit. I'll show you what... See how the leaves are blowing around? That's from the drone being 10 feet above the ground. I think I could use this to blow my leaves around and get rid of them. And not really. Alright, just stopped the recording on the drone. So, as you can see, when you turn the gimbal down, you see a symbol for the drone. If I move that gimbal back up, that symbol will disappear. So you can use that symbol to help you land the drone manually.